Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Solana cryptocurrency SOLUSD. I made here an upload by the beginning of November, 4th of November was my upload, and I said that I expect here a breakout to happen because we traded here in a very significant trading range, price range. And I want to do with you a small recap now if I was right with my prediction that we see here a squeeze and if the resistance level which I predicted also was on point. You can just preview the previous video, you can just rewatch that, guys. I never change or adjust the chart, and I just want to give you here an honest opinion about the price actions here and if we can see here a bigger squeeze for Solana or not. Everything what I say here is based on the chart and not financial advice. So guys, then let's press play here on TradingView and let's watch if I was right here with a potential breakout and what happened here since my last video on Solana. Zack, okay, here we go. Boom, guys. So, and there we have our rip. Zack, okay. And a small sell-off, guys. So, so that was on point. We had here in total, I think my release date was here the 4th, that was during the weekend. So we had here a rip in total of 70%, which is really, really good. And I show you now here the drawings that you can see that I didn't fake or change nothing here. Why did I say I expect a squeeze? Because we have here one significant price level for Solana, and that is $180, guys. Yeah, it is not too difficult to predict squeezes in the market. The main mission here on my channel is to educate you in trading, but I also try to predict short squeeze stocks or short squeezes, and that doesn't matter for me if this is now a cryptocurrency or a stock. The patterns are the same, the algos are the same, guys, so that is really always the same. That is always based on the same rules and on the same breakout patterns. And what we know is that Solana had a very strong support here at $133, something like an accumulation range, and the market makers try to fake out the price here once. You can see then we dropped down here below $1 to $110. And since then, that was here in August 2024, the bottom was in, guys, and boom. Now we're squeezing, but the problem is that we still have here our resistance level. We still didn't create all-time highs. The all-time high is still here back from November 2021. And I said that before, guys, it doesn't matter if we talk about crypto or stocks. Most of the stocks, almost every big stock or every big market capital stock had their peak in November 2021, and that was the same for Solana. That's why I say the market makers who make these price moves here, guys, these massive rips, this is not made by human. I don't say that it is a good or a bad investment. I just say that when you see these kind of straight up lines here, that is not made by human. And we know that we have here also a strong liquidity zone. Here everything in this red box is bearish, guys, and you can see that Solana right now has not been able yet to break to these price levels here. So between $267 and $204 is the territory of the bears. So that's why I decided here to draw on my chart the make it or break it price level at $180, which is the blue line here. What is a make it or break it price level? That means as long as we're trading above $180, this is in favor for the bulls, but the bearish market makers here try to bring the price back below $180. The big advantage which we have right now, so I want to switch off the drawings just for a second, that we have here a very strong support on the EMA lines here for Solana. Usually I don't, invest or integrate AMA lines here in my trading strategies. That is not that helpful. I like to draw here chart patterns and liquidity zones, but I just want to show you that we have now here strong support. And if the volume kicks in, if we have some big volume spikes like this one here you can see how the bulls push the price up, then, guys, I think that is no problem for Solana to break here $267 here, this red liquidity zone, and then we can squeeze even higher. However, guys, be careful. We have here uptrend trading pattern here for Solana. You can see this trend channel here. That is, of course, a bullish pattern, but we are squeezing out of this trend channel pattern here. We had the situation once back in March 2024, and then you can see how the price dropped back down, even back here to $110, and that is what you don't want. You don't want to FOMO in and then have here a minus number in your portfolio here, minus 47% over a couple of months. That's what you don't want, guys. So be careful. We have a strong resistance here. Even the market is super bullish. It's not only crypto, guys. Also, all the stocks are squeezing right now. Believe me, I make here every Sunday my so-called hot stock videos. This is my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, guys. When you see those thumbnails here, I release those videos every Sunday. And when I release my hot stock video, that means that the tickers which I present in these videos, I expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of the member feedbacks. And yeah, this week, guys, I released 3 tickers and 2 of them already squeezed. The first squeeze was here on the 25th of November, guys. That was 109% in one day. Don't forget, we had now here a 70% pump for Solana in a couple of weeks, it was the beginning of November, and that ticker here squeezed 109% in just one day. And then my next ticker here squeezed yesterday, 242% here before Thanksgiving. Boom, we had here a massive rip. Just here 2 days after my video release, the yellow line is the release date, guys, and you can see then we had a squeeze of 242%. So it is possible to predict short squeezes, and if you also want to trade short squeeze stocks, guys, or just like to see them, you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here. We're growing every day, guys, every day. New members joining in, and if you also want to join in and become part of this community, you can click here the info icon in the corner. Then you get access to the Patreon member link. Yo guys, game plan for Solana. So I personally would not FOMO in right now. There is a chance that the EMA lines are supporting us. The RSI, I don't like that, guys. I don't know if you use the RSI here for your trading strategy, but what I don't like right now for Solana is this. We have here a bearish divergence, guys. You can see how the RSI is losing strength here. So you can see we have here a very high point of the RSI, and now the RSI is already cooling off, and of course we are completely overbought. We had the same situation here in March, and you can see what was the result of that, a sell-off, guys, yeah, of more than 47%. Now we have the same technical situation, not that overheated, yeah, but you can see that we start to build here a bearish divergence. And what is that, guys? The RSI is going down, the relative strength index showing weakness already, but the price, that is the problem here, the price is going up. So when we just compare the peaks, this point here and this point, and we draw a line here, then we can see that the price is already still going up, but the RSI is already showing weakness. The good thing is with a bearish divergence, if the bearish divergence does not play out, which means the bearish market makers don't take over control, then you could see here a massive short squeeze, guys. This is a very good situation, but it's quite rare. It don't has to happen. And when we see what happened here with Solana in the past, then we know that everything here between $267 and $204 is a strong resistance. I hope for everybody who is invested here that we of course squeeze out. The market is in a very good condition right now for squeezes, but also overheated at the same time. So there will be a pullback sooner or later. But I'm very happy that my chart pattern played out, and $180 is the confirmed price level here for Solana. If we should break $180, guys, then $133 is the next support price range here for Solana. And I think that we keep this price level here at least as long as we have a bullish market setup and don't turn here into a bear market like it has happened here in November 2021. Okay, guys, that was my quick update here. If you want to copy the lines here in my chart, the price levels, or here the trend channel patterns, feel free to pause the video. Everything what you see here is based on TradingView, guys, and I have a very special offer right now. There is a Black Friday offer for TradingView. I use that program here for all my videos and all my trades since many years, and I highly recommend that. This is not to sell something, and I'm not sponsored by TradingView. This is my honest opinion. Otherwise, I would not recommend that, guys. And now it's the best chance of the year because TradingView gives you here 70% discount on the premium tier. When you click here the info icon here in the corner, you get access to my special discount link here for TradingView. It's just $16.69 per month. As I said, you save here 70% and you get 1 month for free, guys. I would take the chance. If you want to learn trading, you need a good chart program, and this is now a very cheap opportunity to get your own TradingView access. Guys, that was the update here on Solana. I hope that was helpful. I hope you could learn something. If you like this content here, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. I wish you a great day and thank you for watching, and see you in the next Video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Solana Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.